According to the author, everything in that shop, every hammer, every drill, every saw, it all revolves around one particular tool.
Okay, so now that we've got the mindset down, let's step into the workshop itself. In here, tools aren't just inanimate objects, they're your partners in creation.
First thing you see is the workbench. The book calls it the mechanic's fort, and I just love that. It's your home base. It's the solid foundation where every single project begins. But here's the thing. According to the author, everything in that shop, every hammer, every drill, every saw, it all revolves around one particular tool. And that tool? It's the engine lathe, the king of all tools. Its ability to do so many different things is just incredible. Turning, drilling, shaping metal with amazing precision. The book makes a huge point about not cheaping out on quality here, especially the bearings. This is an investment that pays for itself over and over again. All right, so you've got the mindset, you've got the king of all tools. Now comes the real test, mastering the fundamental skills that really separate the amateurs from the true mechanics. Think about this, even something that sounds as simple as sharpening a tool bit. It's not simple at all. You have to know your materials inside and out. The angle you grind for tough wrought iron is totally different than the one you'd use for brittle cast iron. A true artisan knows the why behind the how. But what's the real challenge, the ultimate test of a mechanic back then? Forget all the fancy machines. It was the humble file. Being able to create a perfectly, absolutely flat surface of metal with just a file, that was considered the pinnacle of skill, the highest art. And just look at this process. This really shows you the kind of patience we're talking about. To turn a square bar into a perfect cylinder, you don't just hack away at it. Nope. First, you file it into an octagon, then a 16-sided shape. And you keep going, slowly and meticulously, until it's perfectly round. That takes an incredible amount of control. So, once you've mastered these foundational skills, something really cool happens. It unlocks a totally new level of understanding about how the physical world works. This is what turns a mechanic into a true artisan.